Hi, Kevin. This is your tutor, Kim. I am going to read you a story today. Now, I'm going to read this from reading level B because when you were on that level, this was one of your favorite stories that you asked to read over and over again. So I hope you like it. Rex. Rex sits up. Rex wags his tail. Rex barks. Rex lies down. Rex rolls over. Rex jumps up. Rex licks my hand. I give Rex a treat. Rex is so happy. The end. Well, I'm only going to be able to read this one story today, but I'm going to log back in next week and I'll read you 2 or 3, okay? Have a good weekend. Bye.